So hi, we find x, and the condition or the domain for x here is between negative pi, which is negative 180 degree, until 180 degree here. We can say it's pi. So the answer that they want is in degree, okay, but we can make that to be pi because pi is easier to remember. For me, yes. So here, in order to solve the equation for trigonometric like this, if you have cos or anything of anything equal to cos of anything, like we can say, okay, it's a cosine A and cosine B. So that means we can consider A equal B. For example, I have cosine x equal to cosine pi over 4. So that means x equal to pi over 4. Get it? So in this case, in our case, we have cosine 2x equal to square root 3 over 2. So we have to make square root 3 over 2 to be cosine of anything, right? So that anything that I focus on in this case is angle. But before you make square root 3 over 2 to be cosine of any angle, you have to care or you have to focus on 2x. So here we have 2x. So 2x here. So we have 2x like this. And what I want is the condition for 2x. Because if you make or you write anything, okay, for example, cosine 2x equal to what? To cosine, for example, pi over 6 like this. Okay, so we got 2x equal to pi over 6. That means 2x equal to pi over 6 is not about x. So we saw here, we have to make that become 2x, right? So that means it negative 180 degree, yeah, x and 180 degree. Okay, so we make it into 2x, so by times 2 for all sides. So that will be negative 360 degree, 2x here, and 360 degree like this. So that means the domain for 2x here is from negative 360 degree until 360 degree. So what does it mean? So that means the angle that we have to put into cosine to become square root 3 over 2 like this, we have to focus on the angle that from here. So 360 degree, it stay here. So that means the negative, it must be up there. Okay. So when they say negative 360 degree, less than, so that means less than here and until this. So that means 2x, it must be first, second, third, and fourth. So why we focus 2x? Because here it cosine 2x. So that means the square root 3 over 2 must be equal to cos or cosine of anything. That anything that stay in the 2x domain. Okay. So that means the 2x, the angle for 2x here, is from first, second, third, or fourth. So yeah. So for square root 3 over 2, I think it's it has cosine pi over 6. It's cosine negative pi over 6. Yeah, it stay in first quadrant, right? And the second, no, because the second thing, it is the second quadrant, cosine is negative. So the fourth, it's cosine 11 pi over 6. And here must be cosine of negative 11 pi over 6. It has 4 cases. So first case is here, it will be cosine of 2x equal to cosine of pi over 6. And that will be 2x equal to pi over 6. and that will be x equal to pi over 6 divided by 2 from both sides. So then we can get what? X equal to pi over 6 times 1 over 2, because the division between one fraction and another equal to one fraction, the first fraction, times or multiplied by the inverse of another. So that means inverse of 2 is 1 over 2. So that will be pi over 12. But what they want is in degrees, so that equal to 180 degree divided by 12, and that will be 15 degree. Okay, so the second case is here. So that means cosine of 2x equal to cosine of negative pi over 6, and that will be 2x equal to negative pi over 6, and that will be x equal to negative pi over 12, and that will be negative 15 degree. For another, the cosine 2x equal to cosine 11 pi over 6, and that will be 2x equal to 11 pi over 6, and then x equal to 11 pi over 6 divided by 2, and that will be x equal to 11 pi over 6 times 1 over 2, and that will be x equal to 11 pi over 12, which is what? Which is equal, yeah, which is equal to 165 degree. Okay, for the fourth case, so cosine 2x equal to cosine of negative 11 pi over 6. So that will be 2x equal to negative 11 pi over 6, and that x equal to negative 65 degree. That's all about that. So for answer here, it's 15, negative 15, it's negative here, and there's 65 in here. So I just want to recall that why we multiply this, because we have already given the domain of x, but in this case we got 2x as angle, so we have to find the domain for that angle. Why? Like you can see, you have to make cosine of anything equal to cosine 2x. So that means 2x equal to anything. So that anything must be domain of 2x, right? So that is why I times or multiply 2 for all sides. That's all. Okay? So yeah, bye.